everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I want to thank UNICE for sending over this wig to me and sponsoring this video. They sent me over a 14-inch 7x5 closure wig. It's Yaki Straight and it is gorgeous. It is so freaking natural looking and it's glueless, you guys. If you guys want to see me install this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this video. All right, you guys, we got another UNICE wig. So we have a wig cap, a melting band, and a baby hair brush. And then our wig. We got some bye-bye knots stickers to lay your wig down. And today we have a 7x5 bye-bye knots wig. It's 14 inches and it's kinky. It's Yaki Kinky Straight. All right, so here's a close-up on the lace. It is pre-plucked, and the knots are bleached. All right, so let's get into the inside of the wig. We have it is 7x5, so 7 inches left to right, 5 inches deep. We have an adjustable elastic band. We have our adjustable straps on the side, comb at the bottom, and we have a grip strips. We have a drawstring in the back for a nice, comfortable fit. All right, so this wig looks real good and nice. I'm gonna go ahead and put some foundation on the lace, and then I'm just going to press these little kinks out with my flat iron, and I'll come back at the end and we'll chat about it. But so far so good, you guys. Wig smells really good, nothing too strong at all. It's giving lob. It's giving lob. It's 14 inches, but it's still giving lob, like it's a long bob. Okay, all right, let's go ahead and get into it. I'll be right back. This wig was so easy to put on. It was so freaking fast, and it's glueless, y'all. I just put some baby hairs on the sides, but if you don't want to put baby hairs in, the install would be even faster. I just went in with the straightener and bumped the ends and got the little kinks out from the packaging, and it is beautiful, beautiful. Oh my gosh, this texture looks so freaking natural. I love how natural this hair looks. Looks like my natural hair texture, but a little bit thicker, which I love. It is so beautiful. The hairline looks amazing. I barely had the hot comb. The edges, it came together really nice. The parting looks so good. It is perfect, you guys. So again, this is a 14-inch. It's kinky. It's a Yaki Kinky Straight, 7x5 closure. So lots and lots of parting space. The parting goes from here to here. Lots and lots of parting space. It looks so good. Again, I will have all the information to this wig in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out. There will also be a discount code in there for you guys as well. Thank you again, Eunice, for sending me over this wig and sponsoring this video. It is so pretty. Comment below, tell me how you guys feel. You guys liking this kinky straight? Look at how I just run my fingers through it. It is freaking tangle free. It's just so low maintenance. This wig is so low maintenance and perfect for a beginner if you don't know how to put on wigs, because I literally didn't have to do anything. And you don't have to put these baby hairs in if you don't want to, and it'll still look just as good. So yes, make sure you guys check out the description box. I will have all the information in there, all the direct links, all the details will be in the description box. Make sure you drop a comment, tell me how you feel about this wig, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.